This is the overview for the new custom spec ad gallery builder available inside your publisher admin level account. If you'll notice when you click on the private label tab, you'll come to a new screen here which enables you to, in essence, create a custom spec ad gallery for all of your salespeople to have out there in the field to basically create and have a link available via your website to your different ad options when advertising on your specific website. And it's up to you to decide which templates from our gallery are included in that custom spec ad gallery. So the first thing we'll show you is you'll see at the top of the page there's an actual URL link that will contain your website name .impactengine.com/specs. Now this is a URL that doesn't require any username or password to log in. If you send anyone there, again, or provide your salespeople with this when they take it out into the field and showcase in front of customers, it's simply going to pop up a web page that looks like this. It's going to have your logo at the top with your branding and colors and two tabs included, Premier Ads and Standard Ads. So by default, it will take you into the Premier Ads tab. And basically, by default, you'll see we put 6 different ads in here initially for you, but it's up to you to decide if you want other Premier ads. If you don't want all of these, you can adjust that inside the builder, and we'll show you how to do that in just a moment. But basically, you can entitle these anything you want. If you want to call it something different, you can do that. And as salespeople are out there in the field, they can just click on any specific ad thumbnail, and it will launch the preview of that ad, and they can showcase the functionality here for an advertiser directly. And when you close the pop-up, you're back here just like you normally would inside the account. It's basically just a consolidated way to only showcase those ad formats that you want to offer to clients. So you also have a standard ads tab, and this will showcase any of our standard ad units. By default, again, we put in the 300 by 250, 160 by 600, and 728 by 90. If you don't carry all of those units, you can remove them. If you want to carry some additional ones, you can do that as well. And again, you just click the thumbnail to preview the ad. And so a salesperson could say, here's our standard ad units. Let me show you what you have available to you. And then let's show you some more exciting Premier ad units. So coming back here to your private label tab, if you scroll down, you'll see we have a Premier Ad Units page management area, and you'll see the 6 different ads that are currently in there. And then if you come down, you'll also see the Standard Ad Units page, which has 3 different ad units currently available. They both operate the exact same way, and you'll also notice on the right, if you don't want to offer standard ads via this page, you can just click on Hide. Likewise, if you didn't want to offer Premier Ads, you can just click Hide, but in most cases, you're going to want to showcase both. So really easy to actually remove ads. If you say for instance you didn't want to offer the wallpaper, you just click the remove link. Okay, that removes it from the page, and when I come back over here to refresh, you'll see now that that has been removed and there's only 5 ads here in the Premier Ads tab. So that's pretty straightforward. Coming back here, you can also edit the name of any ad. So if I wanted to, for instance, change this name, I could. If I wanted to, for instance, showcase a CPM rate, let's say you wanted to offer this for a $40 CPM, this will take any text you want to push in there. So I click on update, come back over to my page, and we'll refresh, and it's up to you what you want to name them. Do you want to include pricing? This field is completely open to whatever text you want to put in there. So if you wanted to follow that type of a protocol, you could. If you don't want to showcase pricing, you don't have to. Again, it's all customized however you like it. So finally, how do you actually add a new spec ad? It's very simple. You just click on the add spec, additional spec ad gallery link, and it'll say what spec ad ID number do you want to use and what do you want to name it. So the way to actually get a new spec ad is go over to your advertiser section, and we're just going to log into any one of your advertiser accounts, and that will let us access either the ads or Premier Ads tabs. So if we want a new Premier ad, we just click on the tab. Let's say we wanted to add a video ad. We go ahead and click on the thumbnail we want to use, and you'll notice this is the same for standard or Premier Ads. Anytime you get to the thumbnail area, every ad's going to have a details button underneath. We just click on that details button, grab this ID number, and copy it. And now we're going to log out and log back into the publisher account. And now come back over to private label. We'll scroll down, click additional spec ad, paste that in here, and we'll name this video. Click update. And when we come back over to our gallery now, you'll notice anything you add new will be added as the first option in here. So now we have 6 units again, one of which is the video ad. So that's it. That's as easy as it's all it takes really to put this together. If you have any questions, as always, you can call us at 866-467-2289. Enjoy.